In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your due dates on monday.com. We'll start by opening monday.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose the board where you want this automation to live. Click the board to open it. If you manage multiple boards, take a moment to confirm you're on the correct one so you don't automate the wrong workflow. At the top right, open your profile menu, then choose automations for this board. This page lists ready-made recipes that you can activate without building anything from scratch. Scroll down until you find the recipe that says, when date changes, adjust another date by the number of days in number. Click Use Template. You'll now customize the placeholders in the recipe. Click the field labeled Date and select your due date column. This tells Monday which date will trigger the rule. Next, click the field labeled Another Date and choose the Event Date column, which is the date you want Monday to change automatically. Then click the word number to set the offset. Enter how many days should be added or subtracted whenever the due date changes. Positive numbers move the target date forward, negative numbers move it earlier. Think about the typical lead or lag you need between your due date and the event. If you don't see the columns you expect, double check that your board actually has date type columns with those exact names and that you have permission to edit automations on this board. When your selections look right, click Create Automation to save it. Head back to your main table. From now on, anytime the due date on an item is edited, the event date will update by the exact offset you chose. For example, if you set an offset of -3, moving the due date to the 10th will automatically shift the event to the 7th. Changes usually apply within a moment. If you don't see the update immediately, give it a few seconds and refresh. You can always tweak the recipe later if your process changes. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Offsets count calendar days. If your team relies on business days, review your workspace conventions and adjust your offset accordingly. Also, avoid creating overlapping automations that try to change the same date, as they can compete and produce unexpected results. Finally, make sure your teammates know about this rule so they understand how date edits will cascade across your items. That's it. With this simple recipe in place, your board keeps related dates aligned automatically, saving you time and reducing manual errors.